In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple emails in GoHighLevel. If you've got a list of contacts and want to add them all at once, the fastest and most reliable way is to import a CSV file directly into your account. Before we start, make sure your spreadsheet has clear column headers like first name, last name, and email. Save it as a CSV, and if possible, remove duplicates and clean up any obvious typos to get the best results. First, log into your GoHighLevel account and head to your main dashboard. From there, look to the left-hand menu and open the Contacts section. This is where your list will live once the import is complete, and it's also where the import option is located. Inside Contacts, find and click Import. You'll be taken to the import workflow. When prompted to select what you're importing, choose Contacts. Then continue by clicking Next. On the upload screen, you can either drag and drop your CSV file or click to upload and select it from your computer. Once you've chosen the correct file, confirm by clicking Open and then proceed by hitting Next. Now you'll map your columns. GoHighLevel will try to match your CSV headers to the correct fields automatically. Carefully review each one and make sure your email column maps to the email field. If you see any columns you don't want to bring in, maybe notes you don't need, set those to Don't Import so they're ignored. Taking a moment here prevents messy data later. After mapping, click Next. You'll see a consent confirmation stating that the people on your list have agreed to hear from you, you've engaged them within the past year, and the list isn't purchased from a third party. Read this carefully and check the box only if you're compliant. This step is essential for good deliverability and to stay within platform and anti-spam rules. When you're ready, start the process by clicking Start Import. GoHighLevel will bring in your contacts in the background. When you see the option, click Go to Contacts Now to return to your list. You should see your new contacts populate as the import completes. It's a good idea to spot check a few entries to confirm the email field is correct and the right columns came through. That's it. Your multiple emails are now added to GoHighLevel via a clean, bulk import. If you're new to this, consider testing with a small sample file first, then running the full list once everything maps the way you expect.